If Outlook suddenly stops opening on your Android phone, don't panic. In most cases, the fix takes less than 2 minutes, and I'll show you exactly what to do. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Outlook not opening or working properly on Android devices. So first, go to your home screen and press and hold the Outlook app icon. Then tap on App Info. Once you're there, tap Force Stop and confirm it. This closes any frozen background processes that may be causing the app to crash or refuse to open. Next, tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary corrupted files without deleting your emails or account data. After that, go back and tap on Battery Settings. Make sure Outlook is set to Unrestricted, so Android doesn't block the app from running in the background properly. Now, open the Play Store and search for Outlook. If you see an Update button, tap it immediately because outdated app versions are one of the biggest reasons apps stop working correctly. Once the update finishes, try opening Outlook again. In most cases, the app should now work normally. But if it's still not opening, there's one final fix. Press and hold your phone's power button and tap Restart. A quick reboot can clear temporary system glitches that may be interfering with the app. And that's basically it. If this video helped you fix Outlook on your Android device, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Android tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.